Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start a new note right now. Open the Notes app and pick the folder where you want the content to live. This keeps things organized. Tap the New Note button at the bottom, or use the Control Center quick action if you prefer speed. Once done, add a title, paste text, or insert a photo. Make sure iCloud Sync is on if you want access on other devices. You'll see formatting options above the keyboard to structure headings and lists. Use them. Next, enrich and organize the note so it's immediately useful. Tap the camera icon to add photos or scan documents. Use the markup tool to annotate. This helps when you need visual context. For tasks, create a checklist. For structured information, add a table or headings to break content into sections. Once done, move the note to a specific folder, pin it to the top, or add tags to speed up searches. Make sure to preview attachments so nothing is missing. Finish by sharing, securing, and verifying your note. Tap the Share button to send a copy or invite collaborators. Give them view or edit access depending on needs. To protect sensitive content, lock the note using a password, Face ID, or Touch ID. Make sure you remember the password. If something goes wrong, like notes not syncing, check iCloud account and Wi-Fi, sign out and back in, or force close notes and restart the iPhone. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.